Let's get painting, guys. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel. I know it's been a while since my last post on YouTube. I haven't really been posting any videos or YouTube shorts lately because I was just so focused on making my paintings because my inventory was so low and I had to make sure that I was keeping up with all of that. And it also gave me a chance to make plenty of paintings so I can make videos to post on YouTube. But anyways, for those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, I am a spray paint artist. Today, as you can see in the title, I am making a Kid Buu / Majin Buu spray painting from Dragon Ball Z. I thought this painting turned out just beautifully, and I hope you guys do too. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and click that notification bell to be notified for future content. Also, if you are interested in purchasing some of my paintings, make sure you go to my website to check it out. The link will be in the description below. The only paintings that aren't on my website are my anime paintings. I don't really feel comfortable putting my anime paintings on my website because I don't have an anime license. I know technically I could sell these because it is my own artwork and it is designed by my own creation. It's like I use my own colors, I use my own artistic mindset, I use my own design, I use my own skills to this. So technically I could sell it, but I'm not entirely sure what I can and cannot sell, and I don't really feel comfortable with it until I get an anime license, which I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do that. But make sure you check out my website anyways, because there's a lot of cool stuff on there, and I'm pretty sure I have something on there that you guys would like. And one more thing, if there is anything that any of y'all want me to make for you, make sure you comment on what I should make in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for your time today. Enjoy the rest of the video.
wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.